Yo, yo, what's up, Om1? Unfortunately, I couldn't make the meeting tonight, and there's something that I wanted to show you, but I couldn't make it, so instead I'll have this video here. I'm creating a buddy bot that will help streamline the current buddy system we have. And if you're not familiar with the buddy system, you can go over to this video where in our last meeting we went over it. And I'll also put it in the description of this video so you can check that out. Actually, it's a system that will help the new joiners into our clan and help them feel welcome, help them get introduced to the members of our clan, and it sort of breaks down the divide between new people and people who are kind of more who have been in the clan for a while. The way that it worked before is we would have this document over here that had a pool of different buddies, and each cycle is 2 weeks, and then 3 assigned people in each of those cycles. And then what would happen is at the end of every cycle, the current buddy would have to nominate a particular member within the buddy pool. And then once they nominate them, they would have to increment it +1. During the cycle, the buddies would have to check for the newcomers and then see who they need to interact with, make sure they're playing games with them and they feel welcome. And then the way it would work is in the recruits channel, right over here, um, the buddies would look into all of the newly recruited people. They would take like this person and then they would add them into the list. And then every 30 days, like so this guy joined on the 16th, so we'd have to take him out on the 16th of November. So just constantly having to update. So it's a lot of manual processes. What we wanted to do is streamline that so that everything we can do from Discord and we don't have to manually input all this data. The features would be able to grab that user and then automatically put them in the new joiner list. The user would then be able to do commands like add buddies, which sets the buddies in the current buddy cycle list, right? So over here I created a sheet that shows all of the current buddies. Right now we have none because this is a test sheet. And then it would also update the num time served in the buddy pool list. So again, I created a new sheet that shows all of the different users and the num time served. So just for demo purposes, I'm going to put this all to 0 so we can see. All right. And then would also create a message in the buddy cycle thread that displays all the buddies. So over here in the buddy cycle, the new buddy would have to create this little text right here, and then the bot should do that automatically now. To show you kind of where we're at right now, this is the new joiner list. There's nobody in there. I'm going to add a test user to my Discord, which has the bot already. So go over here. This is my test user. I'm going to join. All right, so this is my Discord. I created a welcome channel just like in Om1. So it says, hey, Red Offender test user, welcome to my server. We can see that it's been added to the new joiner list. All right, and then the other feature is add buddies. At the end of the cycle, we can add and set the buddies for the new cycle. So I'll go over to my Discord, and then I'll say add buddies, right? And then it gives us 3 options. These are the 3 new buddies, and it has to be a user. So we can literally do .add. So if I look at my buddy pool over here, I can do Red Offender MEV6 and then Red Offender's test user. Right now, all of them have served 0 times. So we'll go here, add buddies, at Red Offender, and then at ME6, and then at Red Offender's test user. And then if I do this, it pings them and it says was added to the upcoming cycle, and then it indeed updated the num time served, and it did all that. So it set the buddies, it updated num time served, and then it creates a message in the buddy cycle thread, which I have to do next, but I will put in. So that's the core features. Things that we also want to add in is to display the buddy pool and display the new joiners. So it's literally a command we could do in Discord. So display such and such, right? So now we don't have to go to the Excel sheet. We don't have to go to any other files. We can do everything we need to do within the Discord itself. So that's it. I'm not sure how long it would take me to get all the other features up and then to deploy it and then to onboard it into Team Ominous, the server. Expecting it to be around another 20 hours or so of work. So I'm hoping that before or like by the 11th, so at the start of the new upcoming cycle, it should all be operational. Thank you so much, and please reach out if you have any questions. So just look forward to that.